This is a little bit of a update on the double shoulder veg tan leather that I just unrolled in the last video. I handmade a leather pocket knife sheath, and this is my pattern. I laid it down on the leather. I'll show you the leather in a second. And anyway, this leather actually the edges rub real good and the leather tool's good. I carved in this design. I have a tap off pattern. Tap the pattern off on the wet leather and then carve that in and then do the background work and stuff. So this is what I got so far. I'll show you where I cut it out of the hide here. This is the 9 to 10 ounce veg tan, vegetable tan leather that I unrolled last time in the last video. And I've got this poster board pattern of my knife sheath, and I laid it right down there, traced around it, kind of roughed it out, and then I cut it out on the line over on my leather bench over there. But this is what I came up with so far. I made quite a few of these. These fit like trapper pocket knives or large stockman. And you can resize your pattern to fit all. I have quite a number of patterns that I use. Simple pattern that works good. And you can kind of show off your tooling in this flat area here. Several ways you can make your knife sheath. You can just put a copper rivet there, maybe a couple copper rivets, or you can hand sew it or machine sew it and make these sheaths fairly quick. I've actually sewn them, hand sewn them, used my harness stitcher, or kind of whip lace it with leather lace. I like the way this leather, when it was wet, it worked good, and actually the edges rub and lay down well also. Anyway, that's a little update of the veg tan leather. Get a bunch of knife sheaths out of the neck up in here, mid-range here, possibly some holsters and so forth. Got a few scratches here that might be okay with you. Right in here it's pretty clean for belt blanks. And it's long enough that it should work for a lot of different sizes of belts. Probably a good 10 inches of belts on this particular double shoulder. That's the update. Appreciate you watching.